canvas more than painting it?
No, I'm painting it. I'm adding paint. It's staining it, I guess.
Yeah, staining it.
I mean, it's definitely paint, and there's going to be paint in the cracks. So I am painting it, but I'm more adding paint to areas that don't have paint currently.
So there's no gesso on the canvas right now, in the spots that are white.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
I think it's just pure canvas. At least that's the way it feels. It feels like it's just material and then paint.
Yeah.
So I think gesso is a water-based plastic kind of.
Oh.
They didn't have plastic in the 30s.
Right.
At least not for this kind of use that I'm aware of.
And so this artist mixed all of his own paints from minerals. Is that correct? Different rocks.
I think so. A lot of the artists from the 30s did that.
Yeah.
I can assume maybe he did. I think that's a highly possible accurate description.
And so, because this mural has been very poorly treated over the years, the paint's just kind of been rubbed off all the way back to the canvas. So not only are you having to paint on it, you're also having to re-prime it, essentially. Is that right?
Yeah, but it's the oil paint fell off because it was cracking from it being folded and rolled and bent and all that kind of such. So I'm adding a latex acrylic mix over the oil paint, which is 8 years old, obviously. So I think it has a good chance of staying intact and drying quickly, of course, which is the main purpose.
Because this is a time-sensitive project.
It's a time-sensitive project.
And you have to finish as quickly as possible.
I allotted myself 3 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
It's 9 feet by 14 feet, I believe.
That's big.
Pretty big.
And how long would you say it takes you to doing this process, which takes quite a while, fill in every hole? About how long does it take to finish every square foot, roughly?
Like per square foot?
Yeah.
No idea.
No idea.
I don't really work like that.
Yeah.
I plug in the color where I see the color.
And work 15 hours at a time.
And work 15 hours at a time.
Takes a lot of concentration and stamina, it looks like.
Yeah, color matching and, just paying attention, really. Paying attention when I'm painting and what color I'm using and making sure it matches.
How are your fingers doing?
Not blistered yet.
That's good.
Yeah, I think I'm about 40% done with it.
It might be kind of like guitar fingers after a while, with the guitar strings.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, 'cause you have to hand rub every single stroke to really get it into that canvas fabric.
Well, that's the plan, at least until they're rubbed raw.
Yeah.
And then at that point, I just kind of, I don't know, sometimes I use a tissue. I've tried using a sponge.
Yeah.